with clarifying their capital gains tax deferral options. Not having a clear plan is the enemy, and using a proven tax deferral strategy such as the Deferred Sales Trust and investing passively in multifamily value add opportunities is the best way for you to grow your wealth. Hey, I'm your host, Brett Swartz. In each episode, I'm joined by some of the best real estate, financial, and wealth minds in the world, where they share their ideas, deal stories, and inspiration. So together we can make complex tax deferral strategies simple and passive income plans achievable. I'm excited about our next guest. He is what I like to call a Hall of Famer when it comes to real estate investing, as well as an expert in multifamily investing. And he has a passion for helping people to free up their most valuable resource, which is their time. And he does this through multifamily syndications, and he does this through partnering and adding value every day, which he does on his podcast as well as his books. Please welcome to the show with me, Joe Fairless. Hey, Joe, how you doing?
I'm doing well. Appreciate being on the show, Brett.
Absolutely. Would you give our listeners just a little bit about your background and your current focus?
Sure. Background is I am a value-add multifamily investor, co-founder of a company called Ashcroft Capital, and started investing in single-family homes and realized that wasn't a way to make good cash flow, or at least it'd take a long time to scale to make good cash flow. So then eventually evolved into multifamily, learned a lot of lessons along the way, a lot of mistakes along the way, still making them and learning from them. And, right now, Ashcroft Capital controls over $1.1 billion worth of apartment communities.
Beautiful. Love that. And we're going to dive into the full interview about some of the strategies and how you've been able to acquire and really how you add value to your investors on the full interview. But this interview, we're just going to capture one of the biggest challenges that I see a lot of multifamily syndicators have, and or just real estate investors in general, which is struggling with capital gains tax deferral options. So I'm just curious, what's been the biggest frustration for you, a client or a partner, when it comes to capital gains tax deferral options?
I think it's just hard to get good advice. It's hard to find the right people to talk to, and get opinions that make sense, and also that align with other experts' opinions. It seems like there's a lot of different interpretations for how to approach it, and without having trusted partners and experts to help you along the way, beginning syndicators are gonna. I mean, it's such a hard time navigating who to talk to and who to listen to and how to interpret what they're saying and how to apply that with what you're doing.
Absolutely. Yeah, that is true. Having something that gives clarity to just the options and quality advice, when sometimes
Hmm.
it could be conflicting opinions or thoughts or different strategies, for sure. That's part of why I love the Deferred Sales Trust for myself, and the confidence was the 25-year track record, thousands of closes, and the no change IRS audits that we've been able to, the team has been able to achieve. So that being said, we recently did a deal for a client. We closed a Deferred Sales Trust, and we had the privilege and the opportunity to invest with you in the Vista 121 apartment complex. You want to give a little 30 seconds on how that's going so far with that value add multifamily deal in Texas?
Uh, yeah, I mean, we recently closed. Things are going according to plan. And yeah, we buy value add deals. So, we go in, we renovate the interiors, we increase the value of the property through increasing the rent, make it a better living experience for the residents. And yeah, that's our bread and butter business plan. And that's what that deal also incorporated.
Excellent. Thanks for sharing that. And we're going to, that's just a teaser interview here. We're going to the full interview. Look for Joe's story and more on the next interview to drop here. But Joe, for those who want to get in touch with you right now and find you, what's the best place for them to contact you?
You can just email me, joe@ashcroftcapital.com.
Perfect. Thanks so much. And anyone who's interested in learning a little more about the Deferred Sales Trust, go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com. Or if you're a business professional, go to experttaxsecrets.com. And thank you so much. And we'll talk to you real soon.